Hey Curly Teas! Today we're making a full-fledged coconut milk shampoo with coconut milk powder and SCI. I like using powdered milk because the storage options are better, but if you have fresh coconut milk out of the can and you want to use that, be my guest. Add the coconut milk powder to create the reconstituted coconut milk. Heat for 5 minutes or until the coconut milk powder is fully dissolved. Heating the mix will help that process. I'm using sorbitol as the main humectant in this shampoo. If you have another humectant you like better, feel free to use that instead. You do not have to go out and buy sorbitol if you don't want to. Now you have in your hands a full, legit coconut milk shampoo. Now this is the consistency of the shampoo right after mixing. It shouldn't get much thicker than this. Check the pH as the last step. Over the next few weeks, your shampoo will take on an almost pearlized white color. It will clean the hair without leaving a terribly squeaky feeling. If, on the off chance, your hair still feels like straw, which it shouldn't, skip the polyglucose blend and use only baby foam. Enjoy your shampoo. As always, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.